Jan Secretary Jong Khasi Student Union Usamla Donald Vithaba Hagaji Shimata Hagajelang Jong Kichap Mizo Hagajiraki Joki Yaka 63rd Annual Refresh Meet Kabrero Shibanta Kachikan Ulang Jong Kini Kichap Bedrio Kabashong Masa Ashlong Kabalong Mentakasni State Central Library Hagani ka apply trek udalar kabatep ru kum ka lai community kabalong ru kum ka ji thu ithau hapreng ni chai bedrio bashong masa ashlong hapakan ne kasngi ne kalyang usamla donal ulong bokum ka chai bedrio Riewlum khamtam mangi ki badan shekathan stay lam ngi jongkari India gidan kam ka Ïarap mar Kylliang la kalong hakano kono ka bentaru bat gidan kam ru ban kintiu iwei namar mangi ka chai bedrio Kibadan stage than lamingi yilong kibampat mentoi lada yenu jo kiwei pat ki jai beriu jong ki jela kibadan sheka mainland India but what tang bat ki jela ki marjan kum ka West Bengal nyimpat ko ban yenu jor wat tang mar sitengru hagar sngi kum ka ji IMCM lawane badon langru daki arngut ki executive member nakalai autonomous district council JV Vahan bolong kumukongsan badu L Danaila kumusembut kongsan layo ru ka jingruwa jingshan nagi sama jong keni kanun kum kadak ban penbernya bat pensoba hakum hakane su
Especially those young students who are new to this city. A freshers meet is something more or less like an introduction whereby we get to know each other, the seniors and the juniors. At the same time also, it gives a platform for the student to come on stage. We always have that stage fright, but once you come on stage on a freshers meet, that is a first step for you to become bold up on stage. And at the same time, it is also a message that we, the seniors, out here the seniors are the members of the Life Students Association, will always be there to lend a helping hand, to give you a guiding hand on how to go about while you are pursuing your studies here in Shillong. And I would like to take the advantage on this, in front of this podium, to tell all of you, both the students who have known Shillong very well, and for those who are new to Shillong, that you see us, we are from the Khasi Students Union. We are from different communities, but I tell you that we are here as your brothers and sisters. We will always be there for you. Whenever you need us, anytime, any day, we will always be there to help you and to guide you. Feel free in Shillong, feel safe in Shillong. Feel like this is your home only. We are all tribals coming from the same origin, the Mongoloid origin. We should always lend our helping hand to each other. Do you know that if we combine the entire population of Northeast, we are only 4.52 crores. The nearest state to the Northeast is West Bengal, and its population is 10 crore. We are not even half of the population of West Bengal. So if we are divided, then where will we stand? How are we going to demand for our rights? How are we going to protect our future generation, our lands? The condition of the tribals, when it's designated to us by the government of India because we are very backward. That is what a scheduled tribe is. I am not saying that we should lose our scheduled tribe status. We need it badly. We need it more. We need more powers to us, but we should not expect it to come from others. It is from us. Earlier, during the start of the program, I saw two young kids were singing, and I saw they were raising their placards regarding the condition of the Zo people in Manipur. We are very much aware of what is happening in Manipur. I wanted to share you my experience while traveling to Manipur during this crisis. So when we reach in we landed at situation looks a bit normal. We met with many leaders from the Meitei community. We visited many relief camps of the Meitei community, 3 to be specific. And the very next day, on the 2nd, we were supposed to travel to Lamka, Churachandpur by chopper service. But unfortunately for us, the government cancelled the chopper service. But fortunately for us also, we get to travel by road and get a first-hand observation of what is really going on in ground zero. After crossing Bishnupur, we reach a lot of villages like Kangwai, Torbung, and those places are literally like ghost villages. There are no people. There are only houses that were reduced to ashes and military forces. There are so many checkpoints. Kangwai is actually, nobody is staying there anymore. Everybody had left because of what is really happening. And it seems like the district of Churachandpur is being cut off entirely from the world. There are so many roadblocks. There are barricades in the middle of the road. And I saw anxious faces of women, even women, not only men, women and children who were holding sticks to guard their land, lest anything will happen to them. They were very anxious. They were looking at us and waving at us. So we traveled the entire stretch, right from, we met the leaders of the Zomi Students Federation and the Kuki Students Organization. They welcomed us in Kangwai. There also, there are so many burnt houses. Luckily, a church was left standing there. And as we proceed further, we went to Lamka town and we met the leaders of the Zomi Council Steering Committee, the Hamas Students Association, the KSO, the ZSF. We had a meeting. And they also expressed to us the pain, the suffering, and there are a lot of paramilitary forces there. So the leaders there sensed that trouble is brewing. So they told us that it's better to go back. We were able to visit only one relief camp. As we go back, we can see all the shops are closed. We reach Torbung and we can see the tension there. Tens of thousands of people were gathering there. And as we passed through the people, they were waving at us. And when we reached the other part where there are no more people, there are more than 100 military forces. So that is what is really happening there. Medical supplies are running short, food shortage is being experienced. But the most painful to me is the agony, the suffering that the people in the relief camps have to bear. Especially the children. The children are oblivious of what is really the situation, of what is happening. Yes, the elders, the young people, they're all sad that they're losing their homes. But the children, they don't know anything. They are playing as if nothing is going on. That is the innocence of the children. And as I look at them, I started thinking that what will be their prospect? What is going to happen to the future, to their future? Already more than 100 days, students are losing education. They are not going to school, they are not going to colleges. So that is the condition. We met the governor, we met the chief minister, but it seems that it is very hard for us to break the ice. It seems that even the state government and the central government are not willing to end this fiasco. Why is the government, why is the lackadaisical attitude of the government towards the people of Manipur? The central government should have intervened at the earliest. Instead, it allows the madness, the lynching to happen. So many lives are lost, so many people are displaced. What is the central government doing? This Prime Minister uttered a few words, but we do not see any concrete activity from the central government to sort this out. So the situation keeps on continuing. We are trying our best also to bring both the groups into the negotiating table. But it is very important for the central government to actively intervene so that people can go about with their daily lives. As we can see, as I said earlier, that we are tribals. Do you know, last time when Niti Aayog, the Planning Commission of the Government of India, are very rich, some of the states are very poor. And it is very sad and shamelessly I would say that Meghalaya is at the bottom. But at the same time I saw also that all of the northeastern states, all of them, not even Assam also, could make it into the top 10 or the top 20. All were at the bottom 10. So that is the condition of our people. Do you know also that in the entire country of India, the Human Development Index is the lowest in the northeastern region. The Human Development Index or the HDI is an indicator which indicates the condition of our health, our knowledge and our standard of living. That is the HDI indicator and it's very low. Most of the states are poor, the families are poor. In fact, northeastern states are poverty stricken. But at the same time, I would like to convey to you all that what I've just said should not be a stumbling block for what we are going to do. It should not be an excuse that we cannot excel in our studies or we are not going to excel in what we are going to do.